Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now for those of you who don't already know, I post every single Tuesday at 12 p.m. and if I was you girl, I wouldn't want to miss out. So make sure you click that subscribe button. Now let's get straight into today's video. I was going to begin filming, but I really don't like how it turned out. So we're not going to continue this. This looks absolute horrible. I'm so upset with myself, and I know I can do so much better than this. I know I can. So we're going to take these off. I'm going to take these off and we're going to go again. Okay, so I had a friend do my right hand because it was doing my knotting. So I just gave up a little bit, okay? I'm not giving up forever. I'm just giving up for that day, okay? So now I'm just going to show you my thumb because I thought I created a decent apex on this nail. And I also wanted to show you guys about thickness and how thick your nail should be, because I've noticed that I have been making a big mistake with that and been making my nails way too thick. But I don't know if you can see that I have quite a nice curve going from my cuticle to the tip of the nail, which is what you want. Also, if you can see, when I put this this snipper on my nails, it can go through the whole of my thumb, but it can't go on my index finger. It could go on my ring finger, but it couldn't go through the whole of my pinky finger. And that just shows that some of my nails are thicker than others. Look, as you can see, it can't go through that pinky finger, and it can only go through the thumb. So it shows that my thumb is a good thickness, which is that credit card thickness, which is what you want. If you're doing your nails any thicker than that credit card thickness, that's okay, but you might be limited to the amount of people who could come to you as a nail tech because they might not like that type of thickness. Do you get what I mean? So yeah, girl, bear that in mind, sis. Bear that in mind. I'm now just going in with my clippers because, as you guys saw, my snippers was not able to get through the nail. Also with this nail, I wasn't able to snip it with the clippers. I then had to go in with some scissors, and I was getting a little bit worried about hurting myself. So I decided to remove some of the bulk of the product and then snip it down, which made it a lot easier for me to remove the nail because I basically thinned out the tip so that I was then able to snip it off, if that makes sense, because that nail was just way too thick. So yeah, if I basically already applied a thin layer of product in the first place, then I wouldn't be doing this now. So yeah, just a little tip, guys. If you apply too much product, you will have to do more filing later. So just a little tip. Okay, so as you guys saw previously, the snipper wasn't able to go across my index finger, whereas now it can. And that's because, as I said, I removed a lot of that bulk of the product so that I was able to snip the nail off. I'm now just going in with some acetone and some foil and some pads, and I'm going to be soaking my nails off. And I do this off camera. I then grab my metal cuticle pusher and I begin to scrape the product off gently. It looks like I'm going harsh, but I'm not. I promise I'm not. It looks like I'm mashing up myself, but I'm really not. Okay, guys, I'm going a lot more gentle than what it looks like I'm going, if that makes any sense. But yeah, if you are struggling to remove the product, you can go in with your drill, but you want to make sure that you use this on a very low speed because you do not want to touch your natural nail bed with that drill, okay? Like, you do not want it to be very harsh on your natural nail bed. I then go in and shape my nails, and then I apply some tips. These tips are from Makarrt. I don't know if I'm pronouncing that correctly. Apologies if I'm not. But yeah, I then applied some Saviland Polygel. And I did 3 of my fingers off camera. And I'm now going to show you guys how I did my index finger. I'm now going to shut up and let you guys enjoy the rest of the video. Because, yeah, I think I've said enough. So, guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, for supporting me and all of that good stuff. I'm going to be doing some giveaways really soon. So, please look out for that. And, you know, keep an eye out or ear out for when I am announcing my giveaway. So yeah, guys, yeah, hope you have a good weekend and all of that stuff. So yeah, guys, peace out. Thank you so much for supporting me. And yeah, guys, peace.